Okay, so this is a quick video about LunaPic. It's an online editor that I use when I can't find a decent online editor. I always just come back to this one because it's got pretty much everything in there. As you can see, the list are long. There's a lot of tools in here that you can use. Edit. I use the simple crop tool a lot, the eraser tool, transparent background. Look at all these adjustments. Look at all these drawing tools, borders, filters, effects, art, animation even. So it's very simple. You just click on upload and you go to pics. Let's upload this pic. If you compare this to just this random one, PixLR Express, I think this one is a little bit popular. So we can open the same picture. Look at the tools, it's so limited. I mean, you can edit, but not a lot. There's not a lot you can do, and I usually just struggle quite a bit to get what I need to do. And in this one, you can just go through this list and pretty much just go crazy. Let's see. It's just so much to, yeah. If you actually go into a tool, you can do all this stuff in there. So this is obviously erasing what I'm drawing there. Make it a bit bigger. All of that. Let's try the transparent background. Now, AI usually does transparent backgrounds better. So this one is not gonna be that great, probably. Yeah. So it's struggling a bit. But yeah, there is a ton of stuff in here. The other one I'm using, well, is an auto crop tool. Let's see, the auto crop tool. Not auto crop tool, the simple crop tool. So I'm gonna crop out the head. Okay, there's the box already. So you can just zoom into the head. Maybe it's yeah, crop, and there it is. I mean, and there is so much to do in here. And then with this one, it's, I don't know what's going on here. Got out. How did they even know what allow? But you see, it's already pissing me off. Anyway, that is LunaPic. Good.